Hello everyone. Welcome back. Today we're going to learn the difference between who and whom. Many English learners find these words confusing, but the rule is actually quite simple. Let's begin with who. We use who as the subject of a sentence. The subject is the person who does the action. The structure is who plus verb. Here are some examples. Who called? Who is coming? Who wrote this book? In each sentence, who is performing the action. Now let's look at whom. We use whom as the object of a sentence. The object is the person who receives the action. The structure is usually whom plus subject plus verb. Here are some examples. Whom did you meet? Whom are you calling? To whom did you speak? In these examples, another person performs the action and whom receives it. Now let's compare them. Who called you? Here, who did the calling? Now listen to this. Whom did you call? In this sentence, you performed the action and whom received it. Here's a simple trick. Replace the word with he or him. If he sounds correct, use who. If him sounds correct, use whom. For example, he called. So we ask, who called? Now another example. You called him. So we ask, whom did you call? This trick works most of the time and makes the choice much easier. In everyday spoken English, many native speakers use who instead of whom, especially in casual conversations. However, whom is still common in formal writing and careful speech. Remember this simple rule. Who does the action? Whom receives the action? Practice asking your own questions, and soon you'll know exactly when to use who and whom with confidence.